First melody is called Iwalani. Iwalani is about a ship that is taking supplies along the coastline on the island of Hawaii. So it stops off at every port, and it's figuratively talking about the captain and the difficulties and encounters of weather on each port. And it really isn't about weather, and it isn't about the captain. It really is about the relationship that he meets at every port. At the end of the dance, the ship comes to Kona, and in Kona, the Iwalani is sunk or grounded by the wife.
Hona honua bo itala hunu ija holu ije ahea kamakani aya punalu ukawalo hala ike kai kauha akamalihini ya hona honua bo itala hunu ija holu ije ahea kamakani aya punalu ukawalo hala ike kai kauha akamalihini e huli ho ine o ta Iwalani ike kai mali no wa ho kona no kona kamakani kula I pau.
This year at the festival, we got to see our Hula brothers, our Hula sisters, other halaus that were participating, and it was really nice, particularly having the halaus from the outer islands come in.